Hello Grand Tour fans and welcome back. The Sun published the news that the Grand Tour will be going to Russia, filming an episode in the subarctic area. Recently, Jeremy Clarkson revealed in an interview he was planning to go to a colder climate for the next episode, so it sounds reasonable acceptable to us that Siberia is an option. Last week, Jeremy Clarkson answered a fan he was leaving for Tanzania. Of course, this exploded in a real bomb of tweets, asking if he was going to record an episode of the Grand Tour. He replied quickly, he had to go there for an article in the Sunday Times and not for the Grand Tour. He shared some pictures and short videos on his Instagram account from his visit to the African country, letting us know he opted for self-isolation because of the corona madness. But some fans were disappointed, and one of the many told him to work on the Grand Tour. One of those tweets he answered, "We have one in the edit and I'm writing the one after that, which will be filmed in late March. So we think the three can start packing their thermal long johns and winter jackets in a few weeks." Talking about the upcoming episode in Madagascar. The story came to us that the Madagascar Special will be aired around Easter, which is in April. But earlier this week, this is what we found on the IMDb website. According to them, the launch is in March. A lot of websites want us to believe that there will be a 6th season of the Grand Tour. But there are no plans so far. Someone told Richard Porter, the script editor of the Grand Tour, he liked Seaman and asked if there was more to come. Porter wrote back 3 more episodes to come after Seaman. On our request, if that means that'll be the end of the show, he answered, "No idea, sorry." So what did we learn from all of that? First, the facts. The Madagascar Special is still in the edit. The next episode will be filmed at the end of March. This episode is the first of season 5. After that, 1 more episode will be made. And which rumors are going around? The Madagascar Special is going to be released between the end of March and Easter. Next episode will be recorded in Russia. The first episode of season 5 will be released around Christmas. We keep our eyes and ears open, and as soon as we've got more news about the Grand Tour, we'll be back to keep you informed. So please share, like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay informed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.